Hello and welcome. This is HLessJon. Today's episode we'll be talking about UX design. UX refers to user experience. Now, UI design stands for user interface design. Both of these elements are crucial to a product and work closely together. At its most basic level, the user interface is a series of screens, pages, and visual elements like buttons and icons that you use to interact with the device. User experience, on the other hand, is the internal experience that a person, the user, has as they interact with the aspects of a company's products and services, your app. I would like to use a quote here from Don Norman, who is formerly a VP, Vice President in the Advanced Technology Group at Apple, which means his words probably carry a little weight in the industry. The first requirement of an exemplary user experience is to meet the exact needs of the customer without fuss or bother. Next comes simplicity and elegance that produce products that are a joy to own, a joy to use. True user experience goes far beyond giving customers what they say they want or providing checklist features. In order to achieve high-quality user experience in a company's offering, there must be a seamless merger of the services of multiple disciplines, including engineering, marketing, graphical and industrial design, and interface design. If you look in the links below, you'll see a lot more information available for you to do some studying on your own. On top of that, I've also included for the first time in this series some courses, some UX design courses that are available online, and they're pretty much free for you to experience. Now, the tools that we're going to be talking about, a lot of these actually will cross over into web production as well as not only apps, but web apps. So it can be a little fuzzy, but a lot of the common ground shared between the two can be helpful to all of us. So let's talk about first Wireframe. And there's going to be a wide range of things discussed in this video because UX covers a wide area. Let's start with Wireframe. Wireframing is the creation of a rough schematic or blueprint, if you will, of your app. It provides you with a visual guide that represents the skeletal outline or framework of your app before development. Wireframes are created to help you arrange the elements and the appearance of your apps to achieve a particular purpose. Two of the things that in my rough beginning research that I found were Balsamiq Mockups and Pop App. You can see these on the screen as well in the links below. There's another thing that you can do when you're developing in order to get an understanding of how your app is being handled and understood and viewed by the user. You can watch video playback of how users are experiencing your app on mobile devices, tabletop, and even on desktop if it's applicable. There are several tools out there. I just looked up a few. Again, UsabilityTools.com, peak.usertesting.com. Again, you can find these links below. Finally, I want to talk about A/B testing. A/B testing is also known as split testing or bucket testing. A/B testing is a method of comparing two versions of an app against each other to determine which one performs better. Two tools I want to point to you, again, the links are below, are Topolytics and Optimize. Now, the reason that I'm pointing out all these different tools to you is because I have a feeling that a lot of people watching this are probably going to be individual creators or very small groups. As an individual app creator, you really don't think beyond just getting your app done. At least I don't. But you are actually going up against small groups, companies, organizations that are going to be using these tools. I created this video in order to help expose developers out there to the possibilities of using these tools. Some people won't even know they exist. I certainly didn't when I first started creating apps. So, just something to think about, to look out, to do some more research about. Maybe this will help you create a better app. HLessJon, I hope you've enjoyed this and learned something. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you around.